fun stuff. So my face roller, my gua sha, this thing, so yeah. Potty. Are you kidding? This is LA in the winter. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's beautifully still. It makes me so happy. Wow. Okay, go for it. That was a big piece. Yeah, go ahead. You can have it. That was a big piece of drool. Good morning, everyone. I ate something last night that made me swell up like a puffer fish, so ignore my puffy little face. I've been trying to gua sha my eyes for the past hour. Anyway, I'm actually going out of town this weekend and I thought I would definitely film that. So dependent on if this video is long enough to stand alone or if the travels will be included is TBD, but I'm going to try to make this video standalone, full day in my life, show you what I'm eating, what I'm doing, kind of just like my routine. I want to do a little like beauty fridge tour and show you guys what I keep in there. I know in the beginning of the video I showed you my beauty fridge and I actually had to get a new one. The irony of that, I've had that other beauty fridge that I showed you for years and then randomly yesterday it broke. So I got a new one. It's up and running. I got it in pink. It's really cute. I am going to work out right now because I'm the type of person that likes to just get it done in the morning and then can continue on with my day. So I'm going to do a fasted workout and then we'll make some breakfast after. Solid plan. All done. I can't get over how puffy I look. I literally look like I've had an allergic reaction. Okay, anyway, I'm about to make breakfast. Did a really great workout, as you saw. I'm going to make my omelet that I've been loving, and then I normally have it with some Greek yogurt, so. Okay, trust the process with my omelet. If you like green onion, you will love this. If you don't, you might think I'm crazy. I am going to start cooking, so I'm just gonna set you up. Fuzz on my camera. Is this beautiful top from Zara. I'll put all the links. It buttons up all the way. I'm just being a little lazy since we're doing a quick little haul. I just really love this piece. I think that it's beautiful and fun and classy. Mr. Milo. You like it? You like it? I love you so much. Okay, next up is this top. I think if I did that color analysis test, this color, like a light pink, would be in favor of my skin tone because I always love how this color looks on me. I love this top. I think it's really fun. I love how big the collar is. It's a great material. It's lightweight and I just think it's cool. So yeah, you could do something really fun with it, really funky in the summer. I think that's so rad. Something about it is really fun. Maybe it's a little crazy. Okay, anyway. Okay, let me turn the brightness down. This sweater is gorgeous and it's so soft. It's also one of my favorite colors, this baby yellow. When you're shopping, especially for like a sweater material on a quote-unquote affordable website, I feel like it's really hit or miss with the material. And I'm here to tell you, this is so soft. It feels like it should be a designer piece, in my opinion. Just a really great basic and one of my favorite colors. I love this top. This I got, I think pretty much everything I got in a size extra small, and I believe this was in a small because it had a note that it said it ran small. Although I feel like it fits pretty perfectly. Like I don't think I need to get it hemmed. I feel like an extra small would have been nice just to like really suck you in and push you up. I love the shape of this. I think it's so flattering and it's the perfect going out top in my opinion. It's just really cute and it's really comfortable. It's soft and stretchy and 12 out of 10. This is another great basic staple. What other word can I throw in there? You can do both shoulders, you can do one shoulder. I think I'll probably wear it like this. Again, really soft material, feels high quality. It's a little bit on the longer side, so you might want to like scrunch it up, play with the length of it. I actually ordered this in pink as well, but I think it comes next week, so. And then lastly from Kukai, I got this cream long sleeve. I love this shape. Okay, I think that concludes my haul. I lied, I almost forgot the most amazing find. I really love this jacket. It fits well, it's chic, it's cute, it's simple, and I think it's affordable. So, I can't believe I almost forgot this. I have to show you really quick because I think this outfit is amazing. I'm wearing it with my St. Agni boots, which I've worn into the ground, one of my favorite Australian brands. And then these pants are really amazing. They're thread up. And I'm doing a video with them soon, so I can't give too much detail on that, but you might see these again. And then obviously the top I showed in my little haul. Can you see? I just wanted to turn my camera back on because I started playing with outfits. I thought it would be a sin not to show you. Okay, this is my little tiny fridge. And then inside of it, Innisfree Bright Eye cream. I also keep my Tatcha eye cream, and I just think this feels really nice in the morning. Okay, behind that, I keep my tried and true Peter Thomas Roth eye patches. And then I also keep my Dr. Barbara Sturm hydrating serum. And I just love how this feels. It's very hydrating. So, and cooling. And then up at the top, my roller. This is nice for depuffing your eyes. This is perfect for depuffing your face. You have this side and this side, and it fits so perfectly. And then normally I have my gua sha in here, but my eyes were so puffy today, as you saw, that my gua sha is in my office because while I had my coffee, I was trying to depuff my face. That's my beauty fridge tour. Ginormous pillows. Great. That's a cute size. Really cute size. Oh, honestly, huge linen could be really pretty. I need my other insert. Oh, I did 2 huge linen. Oh no, I got 3 huge linen. Okay, that's gonna be a problem. I need one cute. Shoot. Only one of the inserts came for this jumbo linen pillowcase. I got 3 apparently, so I might have to return 1. I think 2 really big ones could actually be beautiful. I don't know about 3. Okay, let's go see. So, essentially, I think one would go here. Honestly, 3 might work. I don't know, it's hard to tell with just one pillow there. I don't hate it. I think it could look kind of pretty with 1,000 other pillows. I'm just editing my video now, and then I was reading through some messages I received from some of you guys, just because when I'm editing I like to see if there's any advice or tips or anything in my inbox. I saw a message that was really sweet and also sad, but sweet, and they were essentially saying they're going through a rough breakup and my vlogs are an outlet. And then it had me thinking about relationships, and they were sharing some personal information about the relationship and expressing the anxiety that they feel about dating. I just wanted to give them a hug. But I also felt like at the same time, I'm lucky enough to partner with BetterHelp, which is an online therapy service, and it felt like this type of issue could really be helped. So I thought it would be kind of an appropriate time to bring it up because I don't know, it felt serendipitous. If you guys don't know what BetterHelp is, it's an online therapy service. I have talked about them plenty of times on my channel. You can video chat, you can message, you can phone call in, and it's just really convenient that you can do it from your house. So basically, BetterHelp matches you with a therapist that suits your needs. You're not locked in. If you don't like them, you can switch it up. I think it would be really great for this person, or if somebody relates to her watching this video about feeling attached to their partner or having anxiety around relationships, because I even have a lot of friends that have a lot of anxiety about dating in general, just from either things they've been through in the past, just that like constant anxiety and fear, which is so common, and you shouldn't feel like ashamed or embarrassed, but it's definitely something you can talk through, and maybe a therapist could help you kind of figure out where the anxiety stems from. If you're kind of that person checking your phone like, why didn't they text me back, or what, you know, just the constant games in your head, you don't have to suffer with that. You can always get help and chat with somebody, and I do have a special link for you guys that will get you 10% off your first month of therapy. So I'm going to put it on the screen. I hope you take advantage of it. I love BetterHelp, and obviously I love therapy, so it made sense to talk about it right now. But yes, I think now I'm going to make some lunch, and because I'm bringing you through my whole day, I thought you should come. Don't judge me for my bagel. It's the only bread I had. Ta-da! I've been editing for so long. I haven't had dinner yet. It's already 8:30. I'm still kind of full from that burger I had at 4. I'm barely awake. I'm reading this book called The Glucose Revolution. I think that it's extremely fascinating, and actually maybe in my edit of some things I've learned, I'll insert it in my vlog. Maybe you've already seen that. Maybe you're watching me have this idea, but you already saw it like 6 minutes ago in the video. Half a tablespoon as well. Mix her up. Why do I always make such a mess when I try and do anything artistic? I actually think it's really good. It worked. So creamy. Good morning. Please ignore the mess behind me. I have a lot to do in a little amount of time today, and then I also still need to pack because I'm going away this weekend. I have a little bit of work I need to do where I'm going and also want to shake up my routine and just get out of LA. Mostly to film, partly to enjoy. Anyway, I'm going to the gym. I'm going to Alo to do Pilates with some friends. And then after that, I have a phone call at 1:30. And then my manufacturer, like the girl I work with primarily at the company I'm building my brand with, is actually in LA. So she's coming to my house to bring me some samples and some things and just kind of touch base and talk because she lives so far away. So it's nice she's in town. It's nice that we can have like an in-person face-to-face meeting. And then I have to pack up my stuff and go to the airport. So it's kind of go, go, go. I'd love to fit a Sephora run in here because I have a few things I want to get for my trip. And then, yeah, my eyes are a little less swollen, but they're still pretty puffy. Gonna take my little MEJ stick and see. Much better. This is great, this little angel stick. I'll probably see you at Sephora, and then I'll bring you guys through my packing and all that stuff. I just got out of Sephora. This is what I went for. The Color Wow Raise the Root Thicken and Lift Spray. I've never tried it. We'll see what happens. I got this hand sanitizer for travels. And then I just got another lip liner in Beyond because this is my favorite. I got a violet eyeliner, a Refi Lash Sculpt mascara. And now, going to the gym.
People can't see how crazy it is. Show them the mirror. It reminds me of those old, what were those old ones that were really popular, like flips? G7S? Oh, this is like the most classic aesthetic girl shot. Get it on your own, so it's really good. Okay, no worries, it's fine. Where's in front of your face?
I know you thought that.
And then now it's a voiceover.
Hi everyone. I did not forget about you, but I started packing because I have my partner for the makeup brand coming at like 4:30. It's 3:30 now. I leave tonight at 7 and I haven't packed. So I'm packing. I'm only there for a few days, so I'm just doing it by outfits. I just decided to wear this little pink look on maybe like Sunday for brunch, and this might be like Saturday. I land tomorrow morning, Friday. What do I wear? What do I wear? The long sleeve tops from Adanola are everything I was looking for. So, highly recommend. I don't think I'm doing anything Friday. What if I just did something like this? Kept it in the gray fam. Yeah, cool. This could be Friday night too. Please forgive me for the crazy background. It will be spotless by the time I'm done. Then we have this. Cool. Maybe for like Sunday night chill. I forgot about you guys. I'm on the plane and I will continue this video next week.